In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove recovery email from a Google account. Let's launch the Google app. In the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. In the pop-up menu, click on Manage Your Google Account. In the top menu, go to the Security tab. In the Security tab, scroll down and look for Recovery Email. Now tap on Recovery Email. Here you have to give your biometric code or screen lock code to verify your identity. Here you can see that there is an email added as my recovery email. Removing a recovery email from a Google account may be necessary for several reasons. One common need is when the recovery email is outdated, no longer accessible, or belongs to someone else, posing a potential security risk. Users may also want to remove it if they are switching to a more secure or frequently used backup method, such as a phone number or a different email address. In cases where the recovery email was shared with others or used on multiple accounts, removing it helps maintain privacy and control over account recovery options. To remove it, tap on the Delete icon. In the pop-up, click on Delete. Here you can see that my recovery email has been removed. Now you can add another recovery email or leave it as it is. Following these steps, you can remove the recovery email from your Google account.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.